Now that I have both of my squares created for puzzle piece number 1 and puzzle piece number 2, I'm now able to take the dimensions that are included on this drawing and start to actually put them into the other drawing, the 3D model that we're going to produce. So what you're looking at right now, once again, is this is the orthographic drawing, which is just showing what the side profiles will look like in puzzle piece number 1 and puzzle piece number 2. We need these dimensions to be included into our new drawing so that we can create the 3D objects that you will see and that you have already seen in the previous videos. So let's basically take the measurements that you see right here, and we're going to start off at the bottom left corner of the puzzle piece number 1, and we're going to say that is our origin, 0, 0. For our x value, we're going to go across 3/8 of an inch, and for our y value, we're going to go 1/4 inch. Okay, so I'm going to need those two measurements, and then I'm going to go back into my drawing, and I'm going to take my tape measure tool and put markings where those measurements should go. So I'm going to click once in the origin, and I'm going to come up, trace along until I see at the bottom right corner of the screen where it says 1/4 inch. And you see now that I've reached 1/4 inch, click once. There's a little marking that shows up. I'm going to do the same thing now here along the x-axis until I find 3/8 of an inch. And click. So now I have two markings. Let's go back into the drawing, and we notice that a marking, this goes up right here, and over and down. How high does it go up? We look at this measurement right here, it's 1/4 inch, so it's going to go up 1/4 inch. Then over, how far over? We don't know by looking at this measurement here. We have to look at the measurement at the top, 1/4 inch. So this little open cavity here is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. So let's draw that out. So I'm going to go from here, go up 1/4 inch, and you see that a hidden line or a dashed line appears. Then I'm going to go from there over 1/4 inch, and then back down 1/4 inch. So let's go back in our drawing. We now have created this little gap here. The last thing I need to do is finish the top side, or this left side right here. I've done the bottom side. So let's go, we've gone up 1/4 inch, I need to make an open cavity here too. And actually it's going to be 1/4 inch deep, 1/4 inch high, and 1/4 inch deep going up again. So let's go and draw those out by simply coming in, going 1/4 inch, and then coming up, and then back over. Click, back over. Okay, so we're now starting to see what our drawing should look like. It's going to go up 1/4 inch, and then go over, actually, what's this measurement here? 3/8 of an inch. So let's go up 1/4 inch, and let's go over 3/8 of an inch, and back up. The next measurements I need to look at are these right here on this top part. So I need to go over 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to actually have to come back down 1/4 inch, go over 1/8 of an inch, and then go back down 1/4 inch, and then over to the other side. And I should be able to finish the piece up at that point. So let's go back. I'm going to measure over 1/4 inch, and I'm going to come back down 1/8 of an inch. I believe that's what it was. Let's go back. Oh, not 1/8 of an inch. We actually need to come down 1/4 inch. Then go over 1/8 of an inch. There's our 1/8 of an inch. Come back down 1/4 inch. And then we're going to come across 1/4 inch. And from the likes of it, or from the looks of it, we can see that we have the overall shape that needs to be created. So let's go back. They pretty much look the same. So all that needs to be done will be completed in the next step.